In this recent coronavirus outbreak, thousands are dying each day. Our economy is going down. Olympics has been called off. Each country is suffering in the world. And we can notice every other person telling us to do that, do this to avoid coronavirus. And the most common thing is wash your hands for 20 seconds. Why just 20 seconds, not 10 seconds or 15 seconds? Let's understand this. When you wash your hands with just water, if there are coronavirus on your hands, it will not wash away. Since the structure of this coronavirus is like this, it have a protein and lipid coat outside and inner is the genetic material. Lipid layer is like oil substance which does not react with water, and hence if you wash your hands with just water, it will not clean away. So you have to add soap. The molecular structure of soap is like this. It has two ends, the hydrophilic end and hydrophobic end. The hydrophilic end that loves water attaches to the water, and hydrophobic end that hates water attaches to the lipid layer of the virus. So when you wash your hands, the water goes away and the soap molecules carry the lipid layer and the virus disintegrates. And disintegrated virus is non-pathogenic and can't harm you. So to happen this reaction, it requires some time, specifically 20 seconds. So everyone is suggesting to wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap. Spread the awareness and share this video with your friends, family and everyone so that everyone could know this and wash their hands and keep them safe. Stay safe, stay home. Together we can fight this.